not seen you on the first day, but I'm sure on the first day and the 5th day, that is this conclusion day, I'm sure there is a difference. Because as a teacher, the first thing is we look at the students and we come to know कौन से level पर है. And I'm really very happy to see a lot of students speaking so well. I'm the confidence which you are having. I'm surprised that you are still in the 11th standard, and it's really a big change. I'll give the entire credit to your mentor Amul sir, and the person who is responsible for that, Dr. Narayan Iyer, and the person who is again responsible for organizing your principal Shrija madam. You have Sindhu madam and professors who are encouraging you all the time, because it's not the first year I've seen them always organizing this for the students. The students have changed, but the professors are passionate about conducting these type of sessions for you. Please remember one thing, students, this is just a beginning. Whatever you have learned for these 5 days on public speaking is going to help you in the long run. So make it a practice, make it a practice. Whatever you have learned for these 5 days, make it a practice to see that you nurture it quite well and you become more confident. That is the idea. And one thing important, when you learn something, spread this to others. Don't keep it to yourself. If you have learned something new today, see to it that you share it with the others. So are you going to do that?
Yes.
One important thing, please remember, you need to be very, very, innovative. Innovation is extremely important. Like how you said, you wanted to do something and now you are absolutely, encouraged to take up something relating to technology. Yes, be very innovative all the time. Whether it is presentation or learning, just be innovative all the time. Okay? And vibrancy is what I want. All the Vivians should be vibrant because you are at Vivek College. So you have to be vibrant. That passion and vibrancy should be visible on your faces. This is what I want. But the most important thing which I always tell everybody is the ethics. Ethics है तो सब कुछ है. Ethics नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है. Degree का value नहीं है. Ethics is something which you have to. What is ethics? Morally, you should be correct. So you ask yourself whether you are right, you're wrong morally. So if you have ethics, ethics is extremely important. And always learn, care, gain that knowledge. And that is what is Vivek about. We are following the footsteps of Swami Vivekananda, who said, arise, awake and arise and stop not till your goal is. So that's what Vivek is all about. V is follow the Vivekananda principles. I is being innovative. V is you need to be vibrant. E is being ethical. And K is knowledge. That's where you become victorious. And all my Vivians, Jai Ho, great. God bless you.